Hi there, everybody. This is lesson 231. Um, kind of the learning target for this lesson is we'd like to be able to find the length of the longest side in a right triangle. So we see a right triangle right here. We know two of the sides are 3 and 7. We'd like to be able to find this longest side. You've found the area of you know how to find the area of lots of different complex shapes from the last few lessons, and we're going to use that today. Number 95, let's say we have a square we know has an area of 100 square feet. What would the length of each side be? Well, to find the area of a square, you just do length times width. But in a square, the length and the width are the same. So really what I'm asking for is what number can you multiply by itself, because this would be x down here as well, to get 100? You may be thinking, well, x has got to be 10, and you'd be right. X is 10. And the way we get that is, well, you just might know, be able to think really clearly about what numbers multiply to make 100. But really what we're doing here is we're taking the square root of the area. And the square root of 100, of course, is 10. So that's how you get the length of the side of a square. You just square root the area. So if we can find the area of this inner square in here, we can find, and this is number 96 now, we can find the length of this side simply by square rooting it. And this is a square in here in the middle. And it was formed by taking this right triangle and rotating it up here, and rotating it again here, and again down here. And what we get is a big square, this 10 by 10 square, and then a little one on the inside. We want to be able to find the area of that square. Well, the area of the big square is 10 times 10. Now if we subtract the area of these four triangles, we'll have the area that I shaded in here, the area of the square. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. And we have 4 of them, so I'm going to put a 4 right there. So this is the area of the square. This is the area of those 4 triangles. When you subtract the 4 triangles from the square, or the big square, you get this square in the middle. So let's see, 10 times 10 is 100. 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 1/2 is 2. 2 times 21 is 42. So the area of the square is 58 square units. And again, that's the area of this square on the inside. Now, to get the length of the side that we were looking for in the first place, you simply take the square root of it. And the square root of 58, have to get out your calculator to do that. Square root of 58 is about 7.6. And there we go. We can find the area, or sorry, not the area, the length of that longest side in a right triangle using this process. First you find the area of the big square. That's the 10 times 10 in this case. You subtract the area of the 4 triangles. Each triangle is 1/2 times base times height. We multiplied by 4 because there's 4 of them. You subtract that, and that gives you the area of this inner square. Then, like we saw in number 95, you square root that to get the length of this side. That's it for today. Hope you're having a good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.